Gonna wake up in the morning and head on out in the woods. Gonna climb my tree stand and wait on him to walk up. Have my eyes set on this 12-point buck. Gonna open up my 12-gauge pump. Remington 870, gonna knock him down. Ain't no doubt in my mind, it's gonna put him on the ground. I've been waiting all year to put an end to this fight. Gonna put a stop to them sleepless nights. Gonna put that buck in the back of my truck. Better drunk on whiskey or wine than to see that big buck with his drive time. I got an itch, got a feel you can't fix with a pill. Gonna put that buck in the back of my truck. Buck fever, you know it can't be faked. It'll make a strong man break down and shake. I got my camo on, but he can't see me. And all that I know just right where he'll be. Gonna put that buck in the back of my truck. No better drunk on whiskey or wine than to see that big buck with his drive time. You got an itch, you got a feel you can't fix with a pill. Gonna put that buck in the back of my truck. Back of my truck. No better drunk on whiskey or wine than to see that big buck with his drive time. I got an itch, I got a feel you can't fix with a pill. Gonna put that buck in the back of my truck. 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 Back of my truck.